$25 now, we're to go 50. Bid 25 now, we're to go 50 now, we're to go 25, $50. Bid 50 now, we're to go 75. Bid 50 now, we're to go 75 now, we're to go 50 now, we're to go 75. I'm going to sell it. Bid 50 now, we're to go 75. Last call. Scion TC now, we're to go. Don't get too comfortable, it's going to be fast. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Where to go? Let's go. I got it the way it sits. Bid 3. Last call. So 575. 122. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Where to go? Jaguar car number 3. Bid 92. Jaguar XJ6. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Where to go? Let's go now. Where to go? Jaguar XJ6. $300. Put it on the money. Let's go. Bring the car up. Let's go. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about buying it the way it sits? Bid 300 now. We're to go 3 now. We're to go quarter. I'm selling this car fast. So 3 1/4. 901. 1986 Toyota Supra Turbo. Anybody want a classic project? Come on out and look at this car. Very, very rare car to have. We're selling it the way it sits. We're here the second and last Friday each and every month. We're giving away $100 at the end of the sale. He got it. 17. Back. Quarter. He's in at 17 in the back. Check him. 17 and a quarter. 1750, last call. So 1750, 165. You got it. Hey, give him a round of applause. That's going to become a fast and furious car. Now we're to go 98. Now we're to go Honda Accord. Come on out and look. Inexpensive little runner. Come check it out. Put it on the money. 4 1/4, yes or no? Got it. Now we're to go 450. Out of the bid 450 now. We're to go 475. Watch yourself, Todd. Watch it, Todd. Bring that car up. Be careful. Folks, if you want to come out and peek in the car, just be real careful. Got it. 375. You're out below. Got it. Now we're to go $400. Out of the bid $400. All in, all done. Last call. Last call. So 375. All right, let's 72,000 outside. Out of the bid 2,000 now. We're to go 2,000 now. We're to go 21 now. We're to go 22. Out of the bid 22. I got 22 outside. Out of the bid 20. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? 2000 Honda Accord, come check it out. To the right, 1775 now, we're to go 18, all in, all done, last call. Sold, 1775. 1775, 172. Two and a quarter, 901.
You can have it. Huh? He's like, no.
Check this paint job.
That's a wrap, not a paint job.
Security, he's back again. He keeps yelling at me. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? Sold $4, 134. 134. $400. Sold, $2,800. Pull up a little more. Okay, listen up. 02 Cadillac DeVille. Rack opinions leaking, got some issues. Last call, anybody looking? So, 275, 901. Let's go, bring it up. We got a beautiful Nissan Sentra tonight. Who came out for that Nissan Sentra? We got the star of the show coming up. Is that a 5? 154, $400. Take it out. 07 Beamer, bring it up. Bid 26.50. Now we're gonna go 29. Now we're gonna go 29.50. Out of the bid 29. Now we're done. Last call. Selling the car. Sold $3,100. Did you get it? Put it on the money. What up, George? Last call. Last call. Sold 2 1/4. 901. Take it out. Last call, 3 1/4. Now we're to go 50. Sold 3 1/4. '05 Buick, cold AC. Come check it out. Decent miles. Now I'm selling. Last call, 16.75. Now we're to go 17. Sold. 16.75. 53 1/4, going one. Got it, 53.50. Got it, 53.75. Now we're to go 54 1/4. All in, all done. Last call. Gave him a round of applause. 54. Now we're to go quarter. Are you okay? Sold. $5,400. Bid 22, now we're going to go, you're into the left on 22. Out of the bid 22, now we're going to go 23. Tar, sold, 27 1/4. We're giving away $100. How many people like money? Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about? Out of the bid 4 now, we're to go 4 1/4. Out of the bid 4 now, we're to go 4 1/4. So $400 to the left. Bet 300. Just keep it right there. We're going to be quick. Out of the bid 300. Out of the bid 300. Anybody want the project? 300 now, we're to go 3 now, we're to go quarter. Out of the bid 3 now, we're to go quarter. Anybody want the project? So $300. 901. $2,400. Out of big 2,400. I'm selling the car. Goodbye. 24 5. Last call. Sold. $3,000. All in, all done. Last call. Gotta go. Sold $2,250. 13 1/4, all in, all done. Last call, selling the car. Sold $1,300. GMC. Put it on the money now. We're to go old GMC van. 2 1/4 now. We're to go 50. 2 1/4 now. We're to go 50. You want to buy it for Christmas for your wife or something? Sold 2 1/4. Car number 27. Clean little Grand Am. 04 Pontiac Grand Am. Decent miles. Come on out and take a look at the car. 1350 now. We're going to go 1375. All in. Last done. Sold 1350. Hey, car number 26, cold AC, 05 Dodge Magnum. Come check it out. Hey, going once, going twice. Last call. Sold. $1,500. Watch it, James. I got 275. You got to be 3, but it's smoking. You're buying it with the way it sits, yes or no? Sold 275. 901. Take it out. We tell it like it is, brother. Good or bad. Put it on the money now. 01 Honda Prelude. Not Quaalude, Prelude. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? We're going to go, hey, this is a really pretty car. Come look at it. We're going to go 750. A bit 750. Got it. 775. A bit 750 now. We're going to go 7. Selling the car. Sold $900. Bad timing, Bill. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? 250. 250. Anybody want the project? A bit 250 now. We're going to go 250 now. We're going to go 250 now. We're going to go 275. A bit 250 now. We're going to go 275. Got it. Bring it up a little more, bro. A little more. So I can see just a little more. That's good. Rod noise. Car number 3105 Dodge Ram. Last car of the sale. It's got a rod noise, 142 on the miles worth, fixing up. Got the short pad, 550 there, 550 now, 6, got it. 650, 650, 675, $700, 7 1/4.